In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a domain from Cloudflare. Whether you're organizing your hosting setup or simply no longer need Cloudflare services for a specific domain, this easy-to-follow guide will walk you through the entire process. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Cloudflare dashboard. If you haven't logged in already, take a moment to do that now. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard where you can manage your different domains and settings. It's important to ensure you're on the Domains section. This section allows you to see all domains currently associated with your Cloudflare account. You'll have a clear view of your domains listed here, making it easy to navigate. Now, the next thing you'll need to do is identify the domain you wish to remove. You should see a list of all your domains, so take a moment to locate the one you're looking to take off Cloudflare. This can be anything from one you no longer use to one you're planning to manage elsewhere. Once you've found the correct domain, there will be 3 small dots on the right-hand side of that domain's row. These dots serve as a shortcut to more options. Go ahead and click on them. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among those, you'll see an option that says Remove from Cloudflare. This is the option you'll want to select to initiate the removal process. When you click Remove from Cloudflare, a confirmation box will appear. This step is crucial as it ensures you don't accidentally remove the wrong domain. In this box, you'll be asked to type in the domain name you're removing, which acts as a double check. Carefully enter the domain as prompted. Once you've entered it correctly, you'll see a button labeled Remove. Click that button and it will complete the process. And just like that, you're done. Your domain has now been removed from Cloudflare. It's as straightforward as that. This process is designed to be user-friendly. But remember, once a domain is removed, it means Cloudflare will no longer manage its DNS settings or provide any of the protective services associated with it. So make sure you really want to remove the domain before you hit that final remove button. I hope this guide was easy to follow and helps you with managing your domains. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment